Skate 1 has been a manufacturer-distributor of high-performance skateboarding equipment and clothing since 1976. Designed by professional skaters. Made in the USA. All Skate 1 Corporation products come with a warranty. The package weight of the product is 1 pound. Most Skate 1 Corp. products are made in the USA at our own factory in Santa Barbara, CA. With over 35 years of experience, we use our superior technologies, top-quality materials and proven procedures, to build the very best skateboard products in the world. Our brands include Powell-Peralta Skateboards, Bones Wheels, Bones Bearings, These Wheels, Positiv Skateboards, Mini Logo Skateboards, Hoopla Skateboards, Area Trucks and Golden Dragon Skateboards. Top reviews from the United States. Does the job, very big though, on a 10-inch old-school Powell. They still are too big, which was a surprise, usually needs trimming with a Dremel. The only one that I found to be better, is NOS Visions, which are smaller enough to fit 9-inch tails.